Hello my friends, my name is Mohammed Naveed and in this lecture I am going to teach you file menu in Adobe Illustrator. So let's learn file menu. In order to learn file menu, so what I will just simply click on file, and as you can see that here we have all the menus or options of file menu. The first is new. So what basically new is, let's see. If I click on new, as you can see that now I have window. This is called new document window. In the new document window, it's asking the name for our document, and the profile means we are using for what? We are using you can say Adobe Illustrator for what? For printer, for web, or for devices, or for what? And definitely here we can also give the number of artboard. Here we can also change the size. Let's suppose if you want A4 page size, if you want to change the width or height. Definitely we have learned this all definitely in our first lecture. So this is the way to get a new document. So in order to get a new document, what do? We come in file and we click on new. Then what do we have next? We have new form template. So what basically this is, let's see. So what I will basically click on new form template, and as I click, as you can see that now I have all the templates. So let's suppose if you want to create a new document, but let's suppose if you don't want to do your work from the scratch, definitely here we have some you can say template. The first is banner ad, for example. So let's suppose if you want brochures, or if you want template for card and invitation. So let's say the business cards. So what after this, I will click on this, and as you can see that now I have you can say art boards for, you can say, for card. Getting me? So this is the size, this can be the size, this can be size, and this can also be size. Getting me? So in this way we can get the template. Getting me? Then what do we have next? We have open. Let's suppose yesterday you are working and you save your work, you save your document. Now today if you want to open your work, or if you want to continue your work, so how can you do? If you click on new, so definitely you have to start from the beginning. But definitely if you want to continue your work, so what you need to do, you need to simply click on OK, and here is asking that where your document is, and after this simply click on OK, and definitely your document will be open for you, and you will be able to continue your work. Then we have the open recent file. So definitely here it will show the recent file. As you can see that recently I open business card. Definitely right now definitely I open you can say business card document, and before I open banner ads, and previous definitely I open untitled. That getting me? So it's showing me you can say recent files or recent documents I open. Then we have the browse in bridge. Definitely as you know that we also have the application or software Adobe Bridge. Definitely we can also use bridge as well here. Then what do we have next? We have close. Let's suppose if you want to close this window, so definitely with the help of close you can do. If you want to save, you can definitely save your document or definitely your work for future use. And definitely there's a difference between save and save as. If we say save, and if I save, let's suppose this for example I say on desktop, for example, with the name Naveed, okay, on any file, and after if I say click on save, and as you can see that now this document has been saved. And if I want to save, so what I will go again, I will click on save. Let's suppose if I take a rectangle, or after if I want to save, so definitely I can do save. But here's the problem. What's the problem is, let's suppose if I want to change the location before I save on the on definite desktop, now I want to save in, for example, in USB, let's suppose. So how can I save? If I click on save, so definitely it will be saved on the same place. So in order to save in a different location, what do we use? We use save as. So save as allows us to save in a different location. So as you can see that now I'm allowed to save my work in different location. Getting me? So this is different. If we say save, so definitely if we save on the same place, and if we say save as, so it will allow us to save in different place or location. Then what do we have next? So we have save a copy. Definitely you can get the copy, means you will able to save this other way, and you can also get the copy of it. If you want to save as template, definitely we open. Definitely this is the template we open. So let's suppose if you want to save it as a template, so you can also do save for web. Basically save for web and save for selected slides. We basically use for slides tool. Okay, so we have learned that what basically slides tool does. Definitely if you want to learn more about slides tool or this option, so you should watch my video on slides tool. Getting me? Revert means that it will go back. Let's suppose if you have done something, and if you want to go back, so definitely you can also go back. Mean one step or 10 or 15 step you can go back. Getting me? Let's suppose if you want to search a new applications or software, so definitely you can also search in Adobe Stock. Place, let's suppose if you want to place a picture, let's suppose if you want 2 3 more, or definitely if you want to import picture. Actually I also have made lecture on it, that how to import pictures. So let's suppose if you want to place a picture, let's suppose if you want to place your picture, your family picture, or your car picture, or your laptop picture, getting me? So definitely you can place it here with the help of place. What you need to do, you need to just simply click on place and locate your file. For example, if I want this hard file, and what I do, I simply click OK, place, and as you can see that now I have this picture, getting me? So with the help of this we can place picture. And if I want to place one more, so definitely I can also do, and I will repeat the same step. Save for Microsoft Office. Let's suppose if you want to save this for Microsoft Office, you can also do. Export, if you want to export, definitely you can also export. For example, if you want to export this for AutoCAD, definitely you can also do. Definitely, as you can see, they're showing me the save as type. Definitely I can tell the type, so, or extension. Definitely it is AutoCAD drawing .dwg. It is an extension for AutoCAD. So definitely AutoCAD is nothing, it's just a software. Okay, as we have Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, After Effects, same like that we also have software called AutoCAD. We can also change behalf, definitely if you want to say change the document setup. For example, uh, when we go in file and when we click on new, so definitely it asks some question from us. And let's suppose after creating document, if you want to change something in your document, so you can do in document setup. You can also change the color mode. Here we have two color modes. CMYK is basically cyan, magenta, yellow, black is basically for printer. RGB is basically for LCD or screen. Let's suppose if you are doing work for LCD or screen, so you should use RGB. And let's suppose if you are doing work for printer, or if you let's suppose if you want the print, so you should click on you can say CMYK. File info, let's suppose if you want to get the file info, means who's the author, title, rating, keywords, you can do here, you can give here. Sorry. Last, what do we have? We have print. Let's suppose if you want to print this document, so you need to just simply click on print and just click on print, and you will get the print, getting me? So this was lecture on file menu in Adobe Illustrator. I hope you have understood. For more videos, lecture and exercises, come to my website www.naveedplace.com. Allah Hafiz, and I will meet you in the next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.